All right, guys, here I have Zelda. She's a 6-month-old lab. She is a board and train of mine. We're gonna work some place, the infamous e-collar, negative reinforcement, what it does, what it's about.
Yes.
I just released her via her yes terminal marker. I'm gonna apply pressure, negative reinforcement. Pressure goes away once she touches the place cotton lays down.
Yes.
Pressure on, pressure off.
Yes.
She really likes this game. Toss a little bit of food. I'll work on that place cot. Pressure on, pressure off. Good girl.
Yes.
Pressure on. She completes the behavior. Pressure goes away. Good girl, mama.
Yes.
Pressure on, pressure off. Yes. Excuse you. Pressure on, pressure goes away.
Yes.
Pressure on, pressure goes away. Now, when I started this, obviously I started with no e-collar, taught her the place, an understanding and comfort with it, and then I overlay it with e-collar pressure, negative reinforcement.
Yes. Good girl, mama.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned.